Yeah, welcome back once again. Sosovalue airdrop season 2 is here. So take away my pain. If Soso airdrop did not take away your pain in season 1, it has already done to some people. And don't miss this season 2 because guys, we keep on shouting that airdrop is not working for us. Not all of them. Some of them are still valid. I think you get the point now. Honestly, I did not benefit from season 1 because I thought it's going to be kind of is going to be the like of other airdrops. Okay, this airdrop listed and immediately let me show you something. Can you see it now? It listed with the price of 1 USDT and immediately it rise to about 1.7 before it came back to this place, which is 1.01. For people, some people were making about 25k dose, 24k dose, 15k dose, okay, by simply doing nothing on this airdrop. And all of us miss it out because we're not updated, or it's not that we're not updated about it, it's just that we're tired of most of these airdrops and we don't know which one is paying off again. But trust me, this one is going to be beneficial to us. So let us go back there now and I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to participate in this season 2 of Soso airdrop and maximize it. You don't need to wait until the listing or whatever. You can start mining now, and when it is time, you can sell it out. As you can see, it is trading on several exchanges now. Let's go. As I stated earlier, I missed the season 1 of this airdrop, although it's very painful, but this season 2 is going to be very nice. The next one we're going to do is to click on the bottom of the screen. So you go and search for Sosovalue, or I have dropped the link at the description of this video. You just have to click on it. Click on that link, it is important. Then you click on the bottom of the screen, which is EXP. So after clicking on EXP, it is important you sign up with your email. Let's sign up now. So guys, the next thing you're going to do here is to simply register, and here you are going to register with either your phone number or your email, but preferably you should use your email. I think you have email address, right? Let's go. And if you don't want to go through long process to sign in, you can simply click on Google here so that they will bring up your email here, then you just log in directly. But I would like to register following the step-by-step guide so that you can see it. Now I'm going to enter my email. So guys, I don't want you to see my email, so I have entered both of them. I have entered my email address and password, so we're going to click on next. So I've as you can see here, we have signed in. So I'm going to go to my email now so that I can bring the 6-digit code sent. So guys, this is the code here. So I've entered the code, and the next thing we're going to do now is to wait so that they can redirect us by themselves. All right guys, as you can see, I have finished signing. Okay, there's something I forgot to mention. Number one is that you can get Soso app through the website. Okay, you just see download app there. You can download the app. As you can see, this is the app I'm using right now. And the next thing you need to take note of is when you're here, it is important you sign in with your email. And if email is not working for you guys, sign in through Telegram. For instance, this one now, I just sign in through Telegram, and as you can see, I'm already logged in. To know if you already sign in, you'll see your balance up there and the picture of your Telegram. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do here is, when you're here, you're going to click on your profile or your balance you just got here. After clicking on it, guys, it will take you to this place. Let's wait. It will take you to this place, and guys, something will just pop up right now, which is season 2 kick off. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in season 2 now, and for just logging in this airdrop, I've been given 161,000 worth of Soso. Okay, but the thing is, we cannot sell this one instantly for now. So what you should do here is this. First of all, you can see your referral link there. It is important you copy your referral link and invite people, as this airdrop mostly focus on people that give them many referrals. Not that if you don't give referral, you will not earn, but the chance is very low. I think you understand. That is the main thing they are doing here. So if you were able to give at least how many referrals, as you can see here, for successful invitation, you'll be given 25,000 worth of this. And if invitee is reaching level 1, you are going to get a 50,000 worth of these Soso coins. Okay, from the listing price, you yourself will know that this thing is not something you should play with. Okay, so you have to start now so that you can maximize the most out of it. Okay, so that is it for now. The next thing you should know is you can click on portfolio. You can know more about the airdrop and things like that. So you have to start now, and whenever there's any important update, I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching.